In this Blender quick tip, I'll show you how to make sunlight shine through glass in Blender. Now the project files that I'll be using as an example is my realistic kitchen interior tutorial series. So that's a Blender course which I just recently released, and if you want to check out the course, then I'll have the link in the video description. And in the course, I show you the entire process step by step in real time on how to create this realistic kitchen interior. So in the scene here, I have this window object, and so I have these planes here that I want to add glass to it. So I've already added a material on those glass planes. So what I'm going to do is just search for glass, and I'm going to add the glass BSDF and replace that for the surface, and then I can just delete the principled shader. So now you can see we have glass there on the windows, and I can go into the camera view to see what it looks like in the scene. Now I have this sunlight here in the scene, so if I double tap the R key to rotate the sunlight, you can clearly see there's light shining into the scene. But for some reason, the light isn't shining through the glass. And that's because on default in the Cycles rendering engine, sunlight can't shine through glass. So I'm going to show you a quick setup on how to fix this. So what I want to do is search for the transparent BSDF, drop this down here, and then what I want to do is search for the mix shader. We're going to drop this up here, and so the glass will go into the top one, the transparent will go into the bottom one. And so just by adding that transparency, you can already see light is shining through the windows, because here it is before, but then if I just add this mix shader here, the sunlight can shine through the glass. However, this is actually just blending between a transparent shader and a glass shader. It's not actually going to look fully like the glass because it's sort of just making it more and more transparent. So to fix this, we want to search for the light path node. Drop it here. Then what we're going to do is search for max, and we're going to add the math node maximum. Drop this up here. Now the is shadow ray is going to go into the top value, and the is reflection ray is going to go into the bottom value. Then we're going to take the maximum value and we're going to put that into the factor. And so the factor determines what part is going to be the top shader, what part is going to be the bottom shader. And so since the light path is going into the factor, the camera is rendering the glass as if it was the glass shader, but then the sunlight is seeing it as if it was the transparent. So basically it's fully transparent to the sunlight, but it's fully the glass shader to the camera. So I can now select the sunlight and double tap R to rotate around, and you can see there's nice sunlight there shining in through the window, but the glass still looks like the glass shader. So I hope you found this tip helpful, and thank you for watching. And if you'd like to watch the full course on creating this realistic kitchen interior, I'll have the product links in the description. And you can also check out my Blender quick tips playlist to learn more quick tips in Blender. So I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.